You see them everywhere, signs that explain new guidelines, sneeze guards at checkout counters. Well, the companies that make these items are very busy. News Channel 6's Ashley Osborne checked in with one today.
Here at Keen Signs, before the pandemic, this machine made ADA signs with Braille on it. They still do that, but now this machine also makes custom sneeze guards.
Never thought we'd be using it to make sneeze guards during a pandemic.
Dana Keene Phillips' dad started Keen Signs and Graphics during the last major recession 10 years ago after he lost his job.
Even though it sounds crazy starting a business during a recession, he just went for it.
Adapting during difficult times is in their DNA, so that's what they did a few months ago.
We kind of were seeing a downturn in our regular day-to-day business, so we thought, okay, what can we do to stay relevant? What can we do to help the community and keep our staff employed? And Lane saw a post in a sign Facebook group and they were making sneeze guards. The material is exactly what we use to make our Braille ADA signs. Why not give it a try?
They have some stock regular sizes, and you can also order a custom fit.
We found a solution from a local vendor.
Tax Commissioner Stephen Kendrick got some of the first sneeze guards, and he sent this video across the state.
They're easy to put together. As you can see, they slide right out. It's a low cost, quick alternative.
We've been shipping them all over Georgia to different tax commissioners, and then they, those particular counties have kind of shared it within their own little bubble and just kind of spread from there.
They're still making their usual sign styles. Many just have different messages these days. They're also making floor decals.
We've got lots of these printed up. People can just come in, pick up a couple, and head about their business. Or we can do custom designed styles as well if they want to have something for their particular business.
People are trying to help their local businesses. How can they help support y'all?
Just remember to support the local businesses. We are the bread and butter of the community. Remember the small business owners.
If you're a business in need of any of the materials we just talked about, we've got their link on our website, WJBF.com. Reporting in Augusta, Ashley Osborne, WJBF News Channel 6.